Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought to you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually get logged in, signed into your student Mathletics account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video over there. So to do so, first of all, go ahead, launch your phone browser on your mobile phone, go to this homepage search bar and type in mathletics.com, or you will also get this Mathletics login option. Simply go ahead and tap on that one, and this kind of interface and the search options will come up. You can simply tap on this Mathletics option there, and you can see this kind of interface will open up, right? So what you can do is simply go ahead and enter your username or your email address that you have created while creating your Mathletics account, right? Then you can simply go ahead, type in your password that you created while creating that Mathletics account, and then you can simply go ahead and tap on this I agree to the terms. It's already checked over there, and you can go ahead and tap on this box as well. I remember my username, email for future logins on this site, so you don't have to again go ahead and add in all of your information right there. And then you can simply go ahead and tap on this sign in option given. So yes guys, this is how you can simply get logged in, or you can simply go ahead, sign in with your Google or with your new DOE or with your Office 365, which is connected with the Mathletics account right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.